Greetings. Long day. For real. But gotta play some guitar. Feeling quieter today. Just feeling quieter. Oh man, what a day, what a day. Still practicing, still practicing. There's more practice than what's in the video, but it's a little boring to just, put an hour of messing around. No fever, but sniffles. There's something going on outside. There's it smells like gas. There's people, there's emergency trucks and stuff. Not good. Probably not good. probably not good. Ignore the background TV sound. Let's see. Yeah, look at the fire trucks out here doing something. I don't know. Check it out. Got a fire truck. Really not sure what's going on. Well, I think these are okay. Well, I don't know. Oh, look at the moon. Look at that moon. Yeah. I am working on that line, obviously, so I have to keep it up. Yeah, I'm too tired right now, too exhausted from the crazy day to do that fast at the moment. Yeah. Oh, wow. That's okay. Opportunity to do it right and slow. I can slow it down, but that's good to practice like that. Kind of comes back. I'm tired. Screwing things up and I'll screw up. All right, I suppose that'll do it. Got to do some recovery, get back into the full groove, but still practicing no matter what. Daily practice proof complete. The vlog is never over.